Hey guys, Drew Mead here from MarineMax on Lake Lanier, standing on board a brand new Sea Ray. This is a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat is sporty, fun, fast, awesome for the family. I'm gonna take you on a quick walkthrough tour of my favorite features on board the boat. Back here on the swim platform, the boat does have a fold down swim step. Man, this is like my favorite way to get in and out of the boat. I will use this swim step over the ladder 9 times out of 10. Great for getting in and out of the boat. When you push it all the way down in the water, latches in place, use it as a ladder, or honestly, my wife and I will sit in the water and enjoy that spot. Just a fantastic feature for this boat. So with the swim platform down, you've got a really nice sun pad right here behind you. Great place for folks to hang out and enjoy the interface with the water. Moving forward into the cockpit, this boat does have the watersports tower or arch with the bimini top, so plenty of shade. But if you're worried about parking the boat inside of a garage, not a problem. Vertical height clearance. This tower will fold down, so if compact is your thing, this boat does it. Now, Sea Ray's done something awesome with the seating arrangement this year. This backrest articulates forward and backwards, so you get some more functionality out of the cockpit. As well, the captain's chair will swivel around. You can have this whole area as like a hangout zone. This cushion pulls out of the way. There's just a lot of different configurations you can do right here in this small cockpit. Now, up here at the helm, I want to point out this boat is equipped with the Simrad 12-inch ultra wide. That is new this year. You can split that screen 2 ways. You can have your digital Mercruiser dash going, or you can throw your chart plotter up there as well and just have such an easy way to navigate through the lake. There are a ton of other really cool, unique features on the 210 SPX. Why don't you guys come see the boat in person? Anytime you want to make an appointment to come see us up at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier, my name is Drew Mead. I'll be happy to show the boat to you.